Supplier Profile Maintenance User Guide. Go to Oracle Applications Cloud and enter your username and password. Use an Oracle preferred browser such as Firefox, Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Apple Safari. Once signed in, the home page will display. Click on Set Preferences. The Preferences page will display. Under the General Preferences section, click on the regional link. The regional page will display. Click the time zone drop-down and select your appropriate time zone. You have the option to change any of the other regional preferences. If you change anything on this screen, click Save and Close. In the upper right corner, click on the Home icon to bring you back to the home page. Multiple profile options can be edited in one change request. Change requests can be submitted under any tab. Make sure to review and submit. A request must be processed before a new one can be opened. Click on the Supplier Portal tile. In the Company Profile section, click on the Manage Profile link. User interface and options will vary depending on user roles and transactions. The Company Profile page will display. Click the Edit button in the upper right corner to edit supplier information. The action to edit a tab can be done on any of the tabs. Supplier information in Company Profile is the same information entered during supplier registration. Click Yes on the warning message. Click on Organization Details. Enter or change supplier information as needed. As you can see, a W-9 is attached. If you'd like to add a W-9, click on the plus icon. If you would like to delete a W-9, click on the X icon. If you click on the plus icon, you click Choose File, and you select a file from your computer and attach it here. Enter, optionally, a title and description as well. If you'd like to delete that line that you just created, click on the X icon to delete. Click Yes to the warning message, and OK. click the Tax Identifiers tab. Enter or change supplier information as needed. The next tab you click on is Addresses. Click the plus icon to add a new address, or if you'd like to edit an existing address, click on the pencil icon. The Edit Address pop-up will display. Enter the appropriate information and click OK when complete. Click the Contacts tab. Highlight the desired contact and click the pencil icon. You also have the option to click the plus icon to add a new contact. The Edit Contact pop-up will display. The amount of access to the supplier profile is dependent on the administrative contact and request user account checkbox. Only an administrative contact can modify all users and supplier profile values once the supplier is registered and gains access to the supplier portal. Request user account checkbox creates user account in the supplier portal. Checking only an administrative contact will not create a user account in the supplier portal. To add a new role to a contact, on the Roles tab, click the Select and Add icon. Roles added will only be added to the specific contact you have open in the Create Contact window. The Select and Add Roles pop-up will display. Highlight the desired roles, click Apply, and then OK when complete. Click OK. Next, click on Business Classifications. To add a business classification, click the plus icon. In the classifications dropdown, select the desired classification, and the corresponding fields will open up. Fields with an asterisk next to them will be required fields. If you'd like to delete the classification you just created, click on the X icon. If you have no classifications to add to your profile, make sure the checkbox, none of the classifications are applicable checkbox is there. Click the NAICS Codes tab. All the available NAICS codes will be right here. If you would like to add a NAICS code to your profile, click on the Select and Add icon. You will see all the parent NAICS codes. If you'd like to add all of the parent NAICS codes with the corresponding child NAICS codes, select the parent NAICS code. If you'd like to select specific child NAICS codes within a parent, deselect the parent and select the specific child NAICS codes you'd like to add. When added, click Apply and OK, and those NAICS codes should be added to your profile. Refer to Identifying NAICS Codes user guide to find a full list of NAICS codes. It's going to pull up the changes that you made on your profile. Once you can confirm that, click Submit. Click OK on your confirmation